Here in North Carolina, we've pretty much mastered the art of making things. Our manufacturing firms can make everything under the sun, and our community colleges train the workforce needed to produce it. Anything you want to produce, we can make it right here. And while we're at it, we'll probably find a way to make it better. From the strength of our centuries-old agricultural beginnings to the mastery of our industrial solutions in current times, North Carolina has evolved and emerged as a top 10 industrial producer in the United States. Here, we lead the way in turning out valuable exports, including equipment for transportation, industry and aerospace, plus chemicals, pharmaceuticals, electronics, and more. To make these goods for an ever-changing 21st century world, North Carolina taps the most advanced skills and innovative technologies to deliver quality and versatility to the global marketplace. And we do it through advanced manufacturing. It's true. At places like the E. Michelin Group USA in Morrisville, where I am today, advanced manufacturing is, well, almost a living thing. In fact, in many ways, it is alive. As alive as this entire state and the people who call it home. It's woven into who we are, connecting us, bringing us together as a team. It shapes the way we see the world, always thinking forward, always reaching. And it's the solid structure that engages the vibrant, energized minds and able hands here in North Carolina. We just get it here, and the world knows it. But you don't have to take our word for it. We're nationally recognized as a great place for advanced manufacturing, a top state for building and running a business. It's a state that has always excelled at making things, and that translates to some great employment opportunities. Over 7,000 manufacturing firms in North Carolina employ 10% of the state's total workforce. And output from manufacturing, which amounts to over $100 billion annually, represents approximately 20% of the state's total output. Our state has thousands of technically trained workers provided through an unparalleled education system, and they are supported by outstanding workforce development programs across the state. North Carolina also has a pro-business mindset that delivers an accommodating regulatory environment, investment and tax incentives, and one of the lowest corporate tax rates in the country. Add that to our exceptional transportation system with 4 international airports, 2 deep water seaports, and expansive rail and highway systems, which assure access to all vital transportation corridors. Then, top it off with vibrant, culturally rich rural and urban communities, all within a short drive of the mountains or the coast. There's no doubt about it. Making North Carolina home for advanced manufacturing is an easy choice.
Unify has been operating in North Carolina since 1971. It's where we were founded, and it's where we're proud to still call home. We have a really highly educated workforce. There's a low cost of living here. North Carolina is a great state to do business in. It's a wonderful place for our employees to live and thrive. You'd be hard-pressed to find a state with as great a workforce as the workforce here in North Carolina.
We moved our headquarters from out on the West Coast to North Carolina because we believe it's an ideal location where we can be close to our clients, where we can attract talent, and where we can operate in an environment that is very conducive to growing our company.
The future is very bright in North Carolina for advanced manufacturing. With the aerospace industry and now even automotive and medical device, there is so much growth in this area. We're also great for transportation, logistics, highways, airports. So it's been a great location in central North Carolina for advanced manufacturing.
Why else is North Carolina a great place for advanced manufacturing? Our state has made its community college system the cornerstone of advanced workforce training for over 50 years. Statewide, North Carolina has a network of 58 community colleges, the 3rd largest system in the country. Spread out across the state, These schools allow every resident to be within a 30-minute drive of advanced training and education opportunities. The North Carolina Community College System enrolls more than 750,000 students a year in high-quality, advanced vocational and technical education that is nationally recognized and future-forward. Graduates of these programs are fully qualified to serve such industry sectors as life sciences, aviation and defense, financial services, and logistics and information technology, to name a few. Pair this with current North Carolina manufacturing industry leaders, including pharmaceutical, chemical, computer and electronic equipment, aerospace, and transportation equipment and parts, and it's easy to see why advanced manufacturing companies are perfectly matched with the types of graduates the North Carolina Community College System delivers.
We're a tech company, we're innovating every day, and for us to be able to continue to do that, you need the best talent around, and for us it's important to get that talent from the community college, to be able to get people that can think on their own 2 feet, that are innovative, that have the initiative, and that can contribute to the business in a positive way.
The graduates from the community colleges in North Carolina bring a lot of hands-on experience. Hydraulics, pneumatics, mechatronics, plumbing, HVAC. We need all of those in advanced manufacturing, and we're able to get those skills from the local community colleges. We can train them how to do plastics and injection molding, but having those skills coming from a community college is really monumental.
A lot of the graduates that come out of the community college system come out ready to work, highly skilled, extremely passionate, and ready to take on more and more leadership challenges in their career. And then those folks have frequently gone on to higher levels of leadership within the company. And we truly love our partnership with the North Carolina Community College System as a whole.
It's no wonder that the future of advanced manufacturing is bright in North Carolina. The advanced manufacturing sector here consistently delivers a strong growth rate annually and outpaces the rate of growth in the United States by an impressive margin. We are proud to lead with training programs that produce skilled workers for a pipeline that feeds this industry, helps it thrive, and takes it to new heights. Because it's never been a question of whether the future will need technology. It's a question of what kind of technology North Carolina will bring to it first. For those of us who live here, advanced manufacturing is part of the daily scenery in this place we call home. The diversity, ingenuity, and beauty of advanced manufacturing in North Carolina, as we teach it in our community colleges and as we practice it in facilities across the state, truly has a life of its own that leads the way to the future, our future, and yours. So whether you're looking for a career or a place to grow a company, you can stop looking. You found it. Welcome to advanced manufacturing in North Carolina.